to discuss solve question series number 1 of the making of a global world. In the last part, we have covered nationalism in India from chapter number 3. Now, moving to our question, myself Avinash Jain from MIT's College, Gwalior. Why is it said that there were no other war earlier like First World War? State the different points. Answer: there were no other war earlier like First World War because of following reason. Number one, this was the only war in the modern world which involved almost all countries in one or the other way. In this war, the weapons used had a deadly potential to kill and destroy whatever came in their way. There was an immense loss of young and productive population. Economies of countries around the world clashed beyond the level of recovery. The winners were the losers themselves. Question number 2. Why did Europeans flee to America in 19th century? Give 3 reasons. Number 1. Poverty and hunger were common and widespread in Europe in the beginning of the 19th century. Number 2. Cities were overcrowded and people feared deadly diseases. Number 3 is religious conflict were frequent as dissenters were persecuted on a large scale. Question number 3. The relocation of industry to low-wage countries stimulated further trade and capital flow. Justify the statement. We can justify it by saying following reason. Number 1. In the last 2 decades of the world, economic geography has been transformed as countries like China, India and Brazil have undergone rapid economic transformation. Wages were relatively low in their countries. Thus, these became attractive destinations for investment by foreign MNCs competing to capture world markets. The low-cost structure of economy of investment by foreign MNCs competing to capture. The low-cost structure of economy of China and low wages especially attracted them. With the failure of Soviet-style communism and the collapse of Soviet Union, many Eastern European countries were also integrated in the world economy. Question number 4. Why did household income decline after the First World War? Give 2 reasons. The household income declined after the First World War because of following reason. Number 1. During the war, much of the attention was on the production of war-related goods and people for fighting. Large tracts of land were left uncultivated, which reduced household income. The war saw large-scale killing. Most of them were men of working age. The deaths and injuries in the war reduced the able-bodied workforce. Families left behind found it difficult to survive. Now, moving to question number 5. How did rinderpest become instrumental in subjugating the Africans? Rinderpest was a devastating cattle disease that only not affected the cattle but also affected lives of people by subjugating them to the Europeans in following way. Number 1. It affected the livelihood, economy and even the social peace and harmony of the Africans. About 99% of the cattle was killed, which forced Africans to work for the Europeans in the plantation. It enabled the Europeans to colonize and subdue Africa. The colonial government forced Africans into the labor government. Question number 6. How did the withdrawal of US loan during the phase of the Great Depression affect the rest of the world? Explain in 3 points. Number 1. It led to some major bank crashing and the collapse of currencies such as British pound sterling into euro. It also led to a fall in agricultural productivity and raw material prices in Latin America. Unemployment became rampant as no job could be generated. It led to mass migration from rural area to cities. Now moving to question number 7. Explain the impact of First World War on the British economy. We can say it by saying following points. Number 1. 15 to 25% of British wealth was spent on the war. It had borrowed heavily from the US and after the war the debt mounted. Because of the war, British industry could not produce goods for export. Its monopoly in production was taken over by its colonies. Being unable to modernize its industry and compete with the US, Germany and Japan, British economy crumbled. Now question number 8. Describe the canal colonies. Where and why were they introduced? The areas irrigated by the new canals built by the British were called the canal colonies. These were introduced in a region of West Punjab. Peasants from the other parts of Punjab settled around these canals. The British wanted to transform semi-desert wasteland into fertile agricultural land. Their aim was to grow wheat and cotton for export. Now moving to question number 9. Describe the effects of abolishing the Corn Law. The following were the effects of abolishing the Corn Law in England. After the Corn Law was scrapped, food could be imported into Britain more cheaply than it could be produced within the country. British agriculture was unable to compete with imports. Point number third. Vast areas of land were now left uncultivated, and thousands of men and women were thrown out of the work. The last point is peasants flocked to the cities or migrated overseas. Question number 10. When was the Bretton Woods Conference convened? State the main aim of the conference. It was convened in July 1944 in New Hampshire, USA. The main points of this conference are to preserve the economic stability of Europe and ensure full employment in the industrial world. And the last one is to control the influence of the outer world on flow of capital, goods and labor. Here we have covered 10 questions of short type of chapter number 4 of history. In the next series we will cover long answer type question of this chapter. Thank you guys.